These type of ocean animal videos are going viral right now. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to make them by yourself just by using free AI tools. Here is the one I had created in just 2 minutes. First, I had created a master prompt for you. You will find its link in description, copy the whole prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will provide us 10 different video ideas. For example, I'm going with third one. Then GPT will provide us an image prompt and a video prompt for our video. Now copy the image prompt. Then open Flow AI. Here choose Create Image. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Paste the prompt here and hit Generate. Here is how mine came out. A big shark attacking the turtle, exactly the kind of that goes viral. Now let's turn it into a video. Choose Create Video. Choose Frame to Video. Upload the generated image as first frame. Copy the video prompt from GPT and paste it here. Then hit Generate. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I had made using the same method.
As the eel tightens its grip, the octopus retaliates, releasing a dense cloud of ink in a last-ditch effort to escape the jaws of the predator.
So that's the full workflow. If this helped you, like the video and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next niche.